Today we are going to discussing map interface in Java. So, what is the map interface? Map. What is a map? Map is a interface in Java collection framework, like from the Java util.package. It is available in the Java util.package. Okay, it is from the Java util.package. It stores the values. Map can be stored the values. Key value pair. What is a key value pair? Suppose if you are declaring the United States value, you can set the one key US. Suppose if you declare the Brazil value, you can set the value BR. Okay. If you set the Spain, you can, like similar way, we can set the values key value pair. Key value pair. It is not a duplicate keys. So okay, values are we can add duplicate, but keys must be unique. Cannot able to add keys duplicate values. Okay, map are stored key value pairs. Key are unique values. Keys are unique values. Okay, map cannot contain duplicate key. Each key is associated with single value. Here is each key having only for the single value only. Don't have the multiple values. Okay, it is wrong. Okay, single key having single value. Okay, remember. Okay, like how to create the map. See, this is the map. Map key value. Map is an interface. Number is the variable, like a new operator, and map is hash map is the class. This is the way you can going to declare the map syntax. Now here, okay, map is an interface. Okay, fine. How to create an object? Previous classes we are discussing link set. Similarly, you can create the. You cannot create the directly or indirectly using the map object. You cannot create object directly or indirectly. So if you want to create any object using the map, some classes is there. In these classes, using these classes only, you can create object. These classes. Okay. Map is an interface. Hash map, tree map, linear map, linked hash map. With now we are going to discuss only for the hash map. Now we are going to discussing the hash map. So hash map extend hash map class extend interface map. Already I told you this one. Map is interface extend classes hash map. It store the values key value pair. You can access the values using the key only. How to accessing the values? Okay, map you can declare using the hash map class, but how to accessing the values using the key? The key you can access. This is the package java.package. I will tell you what about load factory later. Now you can go to the practically then how to create the hash map. I can show it. See here, this is for the collection package. I am going to create one class demo map. Create a one class. So here, remember how to create the create the hash map. Create the hash map. How to create the hash map? Now what we are discussing previously. See, this is where also we can create a map. Here is, you can create it. Now create for the create hash map. Hash map. Hash map. Hash map. Key. V means value. V means value. V means value. Number equal to new hash map. New hash map. Like this only we can same. Suppose if you want to create the hash map like this only. Hash map. Hash map. String, comma, integer, wrapper classes, integer, numbers, languages, equal to new hash map. This is the way we can understand this one. Understand? Very simple. Here is string is key. String is key. Now integer is value. String is key. Integer is value. Okay, understand? Here is string is key, integer is value. So now same way I will create it one small program, one small example. Okay, how to declare the hash map, how to create the hash map, I can show it. I can remove this one. Okay. See, create. Yeah, hash. Create a hash. So hash map string comma integer languages new hash map okay. Now you need to add the, see, I'm getting the error here. Why? And I want to add the package. Which package? I told you java.util package. HashMap java.util package. You need to import this one. Okay. Now it's completed. Create the hash map. So add the elements. So add the elements. How to add the element to the hash map? Add element to hash map. How to add element to the hash map? See, this is the object dot. Previously we are, if you want to add to the set and link list, okay, how to add the elements? Using the add. Now here remember put using the put. See, here is string key integer value. Already what, which data types we are, wrapper classes we are declaring string integer. So here's the only for we are accepting put. Okay, put. Suppose if you change this one, string integer string, okay, you will get the error here. You also change it to, see here, if you change here, now put, see, now integer key string value, integer key string value. So okay, now which one first, first one is languages. Which languages? Java language, Java languages. Sorry, first one is integer, Java languages 10. Next one is comma, see, integer comma, here is comma is there. Now Java one is complete. Second one is language dot put 20 Python. Third one is language dot, now here I can add to the 30 data science. Data science. Now see, I have added the 3. So how to print all the values? See, system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println languages display, for spacing purpose I used it. Okay, now languages, see how to display the hash. 20 is Python, Java, Science. Suppose duplicate key not allowed. What is the hash map? Can access the key value, does not allow duplicate key. Duplicate key is not allowed. So I give the same thing 30, same 30, key value is 30. JavaScript. JavaScript. If I give JavaScript here, what will happen? See what will happen? It is replaced to the this one. New one is replaced to the existed one. But key is data science not displayed. New one, if you add new one, replace the first one only, but it will not allowed. Suppose if you add 31 here, keys must be unique. Okay, value, if you are declaring the duplicate, it's not a issue. data sends here, same value, data sends here, what will happen? Check it here. See, data sends values is allowed, but keys does not allow the map. Remember, very important. See, does not allow duplicate keys only. Suppose interviewer can ask you, values allowed or not? Values are allowed, but keys are not allowed. Suppose if you are giving the same key plus replace the existed one, display the new one, you can say the interviewer. Okay, this is for the hash map. How many ways do you implement the hash map? How many ways to implement the hash map? Okay, I will show it to you. One is put and remove and get. Okay, get and clear, size, key set. Okay, entry set, values, these things and all you can go to display the first one is add. First one is put. Using the put, already I completed put. Method can be add element to the map. Also method can be add the element. Also you can change the element using the put. Okay, method can be add. Method can be add and change the element. I can change the element right now. One I can explain clearly. See, JavaScript is here. Okay, here I need to second one, this third one I need to change the different. I need to change the different. How to change it? Here is languages. Languages 30, language 30, data science instead of PHP. Data science instead of PHP. Check it here. See, what is here? The method put method can be add element to the map. Can be add the element to the map. Put using the put method, and we can also change the element using the put method. Can also change the element using the put. One is complete. Another one is you can write it put method. Okay. Now second one is second one is second one remove the element. How to remove the element? By how to remove the element using the you can use the remove the element in the hash. Same thing, put and remove method and remove. Same thing by passing here using the key value we can remove the method. See, remove method only for using the key value we can remove the. What is the key? Key is 20. I'm going to 20 is what is the 20? 20 is Python. Previously it displayed the Python here. Here this Python is displayed. Now second one, after removing the value, we don't have in the list. Don't have that element. So now here remove the Python. Remove the Python. Okay. One more example. How to get using the get. What is the get here? What does it get here? Get can be used to method access an element from the hash map corresponding the key. Okay. Get using the accessing the values corresponding the key. So I can run it here. Check it here. See here. And get method. And get method. Now here I can remove this one. I can remove this one. Here is string value is equal to first dot get. Get is what is here? Key. What is the key here? 30. 30 I'm going to do here. Using the key, I'm going to access the get value. Here on this one, what will happen? See, which is the 30? 30 is the data science here. Data science I'm accessing. It's a particular value we can going to accessing the get. Okay. Now next one is put is completed. Put is add and you can add and change the element. Put is and remove is remove the element. Get is the accessing element corresponding the key. Based on the key value we can access. Clear. How to clear? Okay. Now what is the clear? Clear the remove all the items from the hash map. Remove all the items can be removed. So now here dot clear. Dot clear. Now cannot able to display dot clear. Here on this one what will happen? See, nothing. All the elements are values are removed. Hash map. Okay. Now clear is completed. Yes. Clear. Clear is. Now I can go to the next one. Next one, what is the next one? Size. How to get the size? Okay. Now size means using method get all the total items present in the hash map. Suppose if you have hundreds of size here, how to find the size? Size means size. Okay. Now if I run this one, what will happen? See, size is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Suppose if you have hundreds of key and values is there, you need to find the size using the size method. Size also completed. Size method completed. Now is key set and entry set. Okay, key set and entry set. What is the key set and entry set? Key set is nothing but a key set method iterates over the hash map keys. Key set method does not take any parameter. This method, okay, using the key set method. Key set method return view of all the entries from the hash map. Okay, I can go to write it key set method. Okay, how to key set method? Now I can use to the key set here dot key dot key set method. Here on this one, see key set method. All the keys are presented. All the keys are presented. Key set method. Okay, and key set method and one more thing, key set method and values. If you want to key the values, dot values. With the values, all the values can be all the values will be key values is presented and the values also presented. Now using the key set iterator I can use here. Iterator I can use it here. Okay, for each loop. For each loop. For each loop. For integer key languages dot key set. Language is the key set. Key set using the for each loop. This is for each loop using language dot key set. Iterator. See, language is display keys, all keys using the iterator 1, 2, 3, 4 iterator. One by one it will be displayed. Okay. Similar way, key set and values. Okay. Next one. What is already we learned about the entry set and key set, right? These things under key set and entry set we are right. But how to use in the key set method for each loop? For each loop, how to use the key set method? Okay. See, I can take the one more class, demo map 1 or 2. Okay. I can take the one more. So here see HashMap string HashMap string and integer HashMap string and integer map equal to new HashMap so add the element. I need to add the package. Here also I need to add the elements, like add element. So now I'm going to add the elements. Dot want to map books. birds dot, okay, hummingbird, birds dot put, put equal to these two command. Birds dot, this two. One more I'm going to add it here. This is 3. One more I can go to add here. This is 4. Call name is parrot. One is parrot. Another one is peacock. Another one is shark. Okay. Now I add the 4 birds name. How to use the iterator. Iterating the bird using for each loop. For each loop. For each loop. For HashMap. For HashMap. Dot. 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 Entry. Entry. Comma. Entry. Comma. Integer. P. Not here. Birds dot. Birds dot. Entry set. Entry set. See here. System dot out dot println. Out dot println. Key. Birds dot b dot b dot get key. Get key plus values dot plus m dot dot get values. So it's b dot get values. Get values. Get dot get values. So now if I run this one, what will happen? You can check it here. See here. I can clear this one. Remember, most important this one. Entry for each loop using the for each loop entry set. Okay. Run this one. Check it. Peacock value is 3. Parrot value is 2. Okay. Like now if I give the here key value, key, Ikaka value 3, Ikaka value 3, iterator, parrot value is 2, and square value is 4, and hummingbird is 1. Okay, here is map dot entry set. Entry is inner class is the whatever map. Entry is the inner class whatever map. Map is implemented. We are using here the case is the entry keys and values combined into the one class. Keys and values combined into the keys and values combined into the one class. Okay, this allows to iterator map entry set. Keys and values combined. Both are combined. Both are combined into the one class. This is called as entry set. Entry set. There is entry set. Entry set. Entry set. Instead of having the iterator hash map, key set getting into the each value. Okay, this is called keys entry. Now, suppose maybe chance sometimes they can ask you what is the difference between key set and entry set. Key set means this is the written. The key set means the written the view all the keys presented. Written the all the keys only presented. Okay. Entry set means entry set written the all the map values presented. Okay, it is written the set of keys and values. Entry set. Already I am giving to the key set. Key set method written the set of views key presented in the map. Okay. Entry set method written the key set all the entries for the map. Key set map can be used to the for each loop iterator each entry hash map. All the values, keys and values are presented. One more topic. Load factor. Load factor. Load factor is a factor used internally. Maybe this question, maybe they can chances there. What is the load factor? Load factor means load factor is internally hash map decided whether the size is bucket array to be hashed. So load factor default size 0.75. This is the size only. Okay. When number of nodes, number of nodes. This is one node. This is one node. This is one node. Number of nodes in the hash map. This is a which one node? The hash map extend the size of the bucket array. If you want to extend the size of the bucket array, this is array. If you want to extend the hash map bucket array size to be extended, capacity is doubled. If you want to extend the memory, okay, load factor used to internal memory hash memory decide whether the size is internal memory. Load factor is the internal memory hash map. If you want to, this is the default size 0.75. Suppose if you want to increase the node, if you want to increase the capacity of the size, okay, how to increase the size I can show it to right now. Suppose the default hash map is 24 into 16 by default. Okay, so maybe they can ask you what is a load factor. Load factor is increase the bucket array has to be raised. So default size is hash map 0.75. Okay, can go to that. I can show you a small example here. I can show it you. This is the load factor can be increased. See here, so the hash map is there. Suppose here you can increase the size, comma 0.75. You can increase this type. Okay. About here is with capacity of the 10 only. Capacity of the 10, load factor 0.75. Okay, suppose same map, if you are declaring the another map, boats 2, this capacity can give the 5. This capacity is give the 5. Okay, this is now this is the way we can give the load factor. Suppose the load factor you can give the 0.05, like this only you can give the values. Okay. Okay, this is the give the load factor. Maybe chances they can ask you what is the load factor. Default size is 0.75. This is the HashMap class. Thank you for watching video. Suppose if you are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Suppose if you have any doubt, please comment section comment to me. I can give the clarification. Thank you for watching.